Hello, I am Ulysses Adams, and I'm here to present team number 2's project 2 for app development. For the team assignments, I was the leader, designer, coder, tester. On was the coder, programmer, and tester, and Maisha Woods was a coder, programmer, and tester. The project breakdown. So for our project, we chose option number 5, which was to the Artfolio app, which we designed to empower artists by providing them the platform to showcase their art and connect with other artists and clients. We wanted to be able to make a seamless app that focused on making sure the target demographic, which were the artists, were able to use the app with its intended purposes. Throughout the development of the app, we wanted to highlight features that would allow this to happen, such as uploading the artist's work, giving them a unique page that is customizable to their liking, and also be able to connect with the other people using the app. So for our project challenges, we ran into a lot of challenges throughout the development of our application. One of the main problems that we had throughout the development of this project was the lack of experience when using Android Studio. For a lot of us, this was our first time or second time really taking on a project for building an app using Android Studio. And we had to end up using a lot of resources such as YouTube or Google to figure out some of the bugs and problems that we had. Another problem that we had throughout the project was the time constraints and scheduling errors throughout the duration of the project due to travels, work, and other classes. All of the communication that we did was through Discord, and we were able to plan accordingly through diligent communication. Some of the goals we wanted to achieve with this project were an interactive interface. We wanted to have a compelling UI that was both pleasing to look at and user-friendly. We wanted it to be easy to use. And we did this by keeping the interface simple and straight to the point, but also we wanted it to be looking nice as well on top of that. I believe that we achieved that with the simplicity of the pages that we had, and also the organization of the features, making it clear what everything was, and leaving no room for guesswork for the clients or the users of the app. And another project goal were the milestones. The Artfolio app had milestones that we had to reach according to the rubric, and we made sure to reach these throughout the development of the project. Some of the milestones included user profiles, a feed to display the artist's work, interactivity through things such as likes, adding descriptions to their work, and also giving them visibility by displaying art on the app. So for the user requirements, the user input, basically the app functions similar to a social media app, but is more tailored for artists specifically. The users of the app are expected to create a profile where they would then be able to post their work and give descriptions of what other users are seeing. And the expected output of the app is basically just to publish the art onto the followers of the artist's page or their explore page, and also making it so people who are searching for specific forms of art or something else in particular can find it in the search category. So for our testing process, for the testing of our app, we would just go through each feature using the built-in emulator on Android Studios, and we made sure it was functioning as it should. The parts of the code that build up the features of the app are very categorized. So it was pretty easy to see if one of the supposed features was off, and this allowed us to spot problems and bugs within our code. The design overview. For our project, we used a simple app design that contained the features we knew were needed to have a useful and working app targeted to artists. Some of the features that we wanted to highlight were the artists' profiles. We allowed the artists to create a homepage for their art, which come with their chosen name and handle within the app, a profile picture for more individuality, and also for their posts to be highlighted on their pages. Posting. We created a page where the artist can post their art as they please, with the ability to add a description of what it is that they are posting. And interaction. People on the app are able to look at the art posted by artists and can interact with the post in whatever way they would like to, meaning that when they see something on their feed, they're able to like it or follow the artist to see more of their art. So this is a little preview of the app that will be going more into detail with the demo later on. These are just some of the pages that we wanted to highlight. This is the login page. So when you first open the app, you're given the option to log into an existing account or register to make a new one. This is the upload feature. So basically, you're allowed to select the image or art that you want to post. You're given the option to give it a title and then a description of the picture or whatever you want to say, really. If it's on sale, you could put like so and so amount or anything that the artist chooses. This is the search feature. This is where people will be going to find unique art that they aren't following or pages that they aren't following. And from here, they can follow the artist and it will populate the pictures into their homepage where all the art that is posted from the people they're following will be posted. And this right here is the account homepage for users. So if you're an artist posting, you can go check your profile out using the very bottom right button, and you'll be able to see each individual post. You'll be able to see your profile picture and your name, and it's also customizable in the sense that you can change your name, you can change your profile picture, you're able to delete and upload apps based off this screen as well. And this is just a little snippet of the code that we wanted to highlight, some of the more important features, I suppose. So this is just the home page. This is the logic behind what people are seeing, how the images populate their screen. We'll go through more of these in detail later, but these are just basic functions that we added to make the app more seamless and easy to use, such as this feature right here, which is the delete artwork method, which allows the artist to go to their home page and then delete any art that they don't want anymore on their page. And this right here is how the method the artists use, or I guess, yeah, the method the artists use to populate their page with more art. They can upload using this. It's connected to Firebase. And same with this one right here, loading profile images. So we're going to get into the demo now, and I'll be back after that. Thank you.
Hello, and my name is Antrans, and this is the demo is about project app. So let's get started. So in order to use the app, we need the account to log in, and I already made one, so let's go ahead and log into the app. All right, so this is the home screen of the app. So this is basically just the feed. So it's showing all of the photo that's uploaded into the app. So as you can see right here, you can see the artwork name and the description for each photo. And then at the bottom, we got the navigation. So we have 4 different pages, which is home screen, search screen, upload, and profile. So for the search screen, if you want to search for the photos, go ahead and type in your title or description for each of the photos. For example, if I type in home, as you can see, it's showing all the photo that included in the home text. And then let me try a different example, like nature, as you can see right here. I can use the title of the photos, or I can use the description of this. And that's it for the search screen. And I got the uploading. So I use the image picker, so select the photos here, and then you can add the title. And just upload it. Again, it's loading, but actually it showed up on the home screen already. And then this is the profile, which is shows your account profile picture and all the photo that you uploaded. And then there's a title for each of the photos. And also I can delete it if I don't want it to, just like that. And you can also edit your profile here, like you change a password, or you can like change your profile picture or set the new password. And this is the logout button, so you can log out the app. And that's it for the demo. Thank you.